So yeah, as you heard Danny just say then, we're at the house, we're hitting it up.
Back in the 1800s, over 30 people died on the railway line right outside this house.
Bro, someone
Just don't look, keep on.
Look, get over here! Ah! Ah! No! 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 Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out!
Bro, what was that?
Look, get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Right now, guys, I am joined with Luke,
What's happening?
and we're both heading to an abandoned old railway station house under. We've got lightning. I mean, just look at that in the distance there. It's just so crazy. So are you excited then, Luke?
Yeah man, definitely bro. Let's
I'm
hit
excited.
this up, definitely.
I mean, I've been wanting to hit this spot for about a year now.
Yeah.
So thanks to Luke, guys. We're hitting it. So massive shout out to Luke's channel, which I have forgotten what I mentioned.
Urbex Luke Adventures.
Urbex Luke Adventures, guys. Check him out, please, because if it weren't for him, I wouldn't be doing this tonight. So massive thank you to him.
So yeah, as you heard Danny just say then, we're at the house, we're hitting it up. It's lightning. It was about 30 degrees about an hour ago. This is insane.
And the weather, terrible. Watch your legs, Luke. And I've got shorts on right now.
Yeah, it was actually nice weather before, guys. Took a turn for the worst.
It's quite a creepy night. Going to
Yeah, definitely bro, yeah.
for sure. We have got to find our bearings. It looks like it's been used this part here
Yeah.
before anyway, because
Definitely.
everything looks flat. Being nettled to death right now.
That train line's actually running at the moment, so we actually can't go over there because we don't want to risk getting hit by a train or anything, do we?
Luke!
Yo.
Luke!
Wow.
Found it, bro!
Look at that.
I mean, just look at the storm going at the same time. It's absolutely amazing. I think we should go in then, there's a door open.
Yeah, let's get in there, bro. So guys, we're entering now. Found this door open. Yo, check all the old stoves and that.
It's really old, isn't it?
Yeah. It's in good condition, that, bro.
Still got the clocks on it and everything.
Yeah, man.
Just think someone once had the toast out of that. Cheese on toast.
Yeah, bro, definitely. Little ornament there and that.
Check this little lantern out here.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I tell you what, guys, it's thundering outside. I'm being in here right now. It's like being in something like Resident Evil, bro. I mean, you've
Actually,
got the wood on the
yeah.
doors and that. I mean, on the windows, you've got wood on the windows.
Like it's boarded up. Check that.
I am a bit confused right now, guys. I'm middling my words up. That's because I'm scared.
Yo, is this a shower? Oh, what the workshop thing.
That thunder doesn't sound healthy, does it?
No, bro. It's a proper freaky night tonight.
This is probably one of the most scariest nights I've ever come, guys, when doing these creepy exploring stuff. But it is just an explore today. Luke has invited me, and I thought I'd do something different, guys, on the channel. I've not done an explore for quite a while.
So you head that way, bro. careful this door, yeah, it's hanging on. Oh my god. Bro, check that. Wow.
What does it say on that note? They're in the house.
It says someone's in the house, bro.
They're in the house. I don't know one's in the house.
It depends what they mean by there, doesn't it, bro?
I'll tell you what though, bro. Like I said before, this is definitely some out of Resident Evil.
Yeah.
I mean, every window's boarded.
Wow, you see that just come through then? That were insane shot. But yeah, like you said, it's like Resident Evil and everything's boarded up like there's zombies about and that, innit, bro? It's absolutely mad. What was that? Sound like a glass rolling, bro.
Hello? I'm just going to spin this round a minute. Right guys, right now we're in a creepy abandoned railway house. We have just heard a noise, but it could be due to the thunder. Back in the 1800s, over 30 people died on the railway line right outside this house. And apparently, there was a mother, and I don't know if it was a daughter, I think it was the daughter, and I think they passed away here. Is that the thunder flashing?
Yeah, bro, I've seen that.
And I think they passed away here because they lived in a caravan at the back of the garden. Now, I'm already getting creepy vibes. How are you feeling, Luke?
Yeah, it's creepy in here.
Really creepy.
Like,
bro.
even look at the light shade, bro. Look at that. It's like an old-fashioned.
It's like a gothic
That's what I'm
old wooden
saying.
lighting, innit?
Yeah.
I mean, I'll just put this close so you guys can see it. It's got like, the house has got the old gothic look to it. With candles, it's still got the beams on the ceiling.
That's it. And we've had that creepy note down there as
It's
well.
even got the lightings on the wall there going round. I mean, it looks like the devil's room, bro. Everything's painted red.
Even that, look at that. Yeah, it does, bro, you're right. Can you read it? Bro, what was that? Bro, someone's...
Oh, just don't keep on. Hello?
Bro, what was that? That wasn't the thunder, that, you know.
Hello? I'm crapping myself.
I know.
Hello? Could just be the window. Just watch yourself here. Wow, someone's slippers on the stairs.
Madness. I can't believe everything's still here.
Be really careful. Look how dark it is out there, guys.
What the heck is that?
I'm getting noises.
Weird noise. It smells sulphur.
Hello? Oh, bro, look at that. That landing's creepy.
Oh my god, that is creepy. Look at it.
I wouldn't like to go to the toilet in the night if I lived in this house.
No.
Because that's a long landing.
Wow, look at this room.
Wow, is that a baby's cot?
Bro, that's a baby's cot and a blanket there.
Crapping myself right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Still got clothes on.
I can't believe that was close. That's just the boiler room.
Should we just stand here a few seconds and do some calling out?
Yeah, we can do,
I
bro.
mean, I know we're doing an explore, guys, but we're just going to do some calling out.
Because there's definitely something weird in here, bro.
If there's any spirits in here, can you make yourself known? Do something. Bang. Close the door. Make yourself known to us.
What was that?
Sounds like someone knocking. Hello? I think there's an animal in here or something, like a fox or a cat.
I'll have to go and check,
Bro,
bro.
how creepy does that look?
I know. Why is there a baby's crib just
Look
sat
at that
there?
bed.
That That's insane, bro.
Guys, please let me know in the comment section right now. How creepy does this house look?
It's freaky, bro. Old set.
Oh, I'm shaking. How are you feeling?
Yeah, same. There's something weird going on in this house, 100%. We need to go check down there.
Oh, bro, there's a leak. A massive leak. Just leaking out there.
Bathroom or something.
Why is this door being locked? Looks like someone's booted it off.
It does, doesn't it? Someone's running.
Something's been kept in here, guys, for that to go like that. It looks like someone's been recently. I mean, look at that.
Got a big lock on it.
Got a big massive lock. Why? Who the hell would put a massive lock on a door like that? The only way you'd put a lock on a door like that is if there was something in here, what they wanted to
Yeah,
not let out.
Yeah, definitely, bro. 100%. Come on. Let's check in there. It smells weird in here.
Oh, look at all the clothes.
Yo, there's loads of clothes in that.
Oh, stinks, man. Can you
Yeah,
hear
it's
that
got
thunder?
a weird. What's
What's
that?
that noise?
Can you not hear something coming from over there?
Probably rats.
Whoa! Ah! Ah! Look, get help me up! Ah! Ah! Go! Oh, get me out of this house! Get me out of this house!
Go, go,
Get me
go!
out of this house! Whoa! Whoa!
Come on, bro.
Whoa! 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 What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Bro, what was that?
Look, get me out of here! Get me out of here! Wow! What the hell? What the hell? Wow!
Bro,
Wow! Wow!
what has just gone on?